VIM from Jac Vapour. Let's have a quick look. Hey guys, Vick here, back with a quick look video. Today we're having a quick look at this, the VIM from Jac Vapour, the VIM from Jac Vapour, an all-in-one system. So what is it? What is it really? What's going on here? What you've got is an all-in-one kit, a mod that comes with a tank. The tank has a wide range of coil heads available for it, and it has this mod has a very unique adjustable airflow underneath. It's a regulated but unregulated style vape, so you've got all your built-in electronic safety features, your low voltage cut-off, your low ohm cut-off, all those sorts of things, but it is actually unregulated power going straight from the battery straight through to your atomizer. Buttons down here, 5 clicks on, 5 clicks off, and it does have a little green light on the button as well, so you can turn it off, put it in your pocket. It is very, very, very small. It's very lightweight. It's got like a rubberized finish. It's very dinky, very, very duty design actually. Rubberized sort of finish, very small in the hand. Obviously, 5 clicks off, you can put it in your pocket. It's a very portable vape for out and about. It's also very user friendly. You know, you've got that one button on and off. You've got top fill up top here as well. Simply unscrew the top of this tank here to pour in your juice. 2 ml capacity in this clearomizer, and like I say, 4 different coil heads available for this. The 4 different coil heads available. So this has adjustable airflow. It has a small hole down here, which I've got it on now, which gives you sort of a loose mouth to lung type vape, depending on the coil head you put in. And then it's got a bigger direct to lung hole as well, and you adjust it by switching this rubber bung from there to there. You spin it around like that. So this is the smallest air hole, and this is what it's like with that. There we go. And if I spin this around, if I pull this out and spin it around, pull it out and spin it around like that, we're now on the smallest hole. And it goes from restricted lung, sort of loosey, sort of restricted lung hit, to a fairly tight, a fairly authentic mouth to lung vape. Certainly mouth to lung for me, might be too loose for some of you guys, really hardcore mouth to lungers. But yeah, no, it's a mouth to lung for me. Micro USB charging at the bottom. This thing has a surprisingly large battery, 2600 mAh. And the battery life has been very, very good for me. You know, these aren't low ohm coils in here, so battery life has been very, very solid for me as well. And it does tell you when it's time to stick it in the micro USB. So battery life definitely a plus point on this kit. So the coil heads. So because you've got this loose direct to lung style and this mouth to lung style with the 2 airflows, it comes with 4 coil options. There's a 0.4 and a 0.7 mouth to lung vape. The 0.7 one is a particularly nice mouth to lung vape for me personally. So I have been enjoying that. I've got in the 0.5 direct to lung. There's also a 1 ohm direct to lung coil head as well. Yeah, the coil heads are very, very good. The flavour is surprisingly crisp on these, and the actual difference between the coil heads is very clear and precise as well. The 0.7 mouth to lung head, very, very nice vape, and the 0.5 is my favourite of the direct to lung vapes. They also sent me this. I'll just give a very quick shout out for this. Is what I've got inside. I've got sour lime sorbet in here from Jac Vapour. This was sent as Bryn's special sauce. It's available from Jac Vapour as well. They sent this on, and I didn't have like big high hopes for this. It's actually a very tasty juice. So thumbs up for the juice as well, guys. Cheers for that. So yeah, so it's got those 4 different coil heads. I really like the 0.7 mouth to lung and the 0.5 direct to lung. The flavour is very crisp. I haven't had any leaking issues or anything like that. The only sort of thing that I've sort of found with this is it's a tiny bit fiddly when you're getting the tank out, simply because of the nature of the design. it's, you know, it's in here, so you need to use these like ridges on here to try and get a grip of the tank. And obviously, because the airflow is coming in from this bottom section here, you do have to be careful where you put your hand. You can end up covering up the air hole accidentally with your hand when you're holding it. Beyond that though, I think this is a very, very solid out and about portable kit, or an excellent starter vape for a smoker transitioning to vaping. The kicker for me, the really nice touch on this, they've currently got it on their site and in their shop right now for £25. For £25 for a complete kit, get a bottle of juice for £5 and you're up and running for £30. You don't need an additional charger or anything like that. Everything you need, £25 and a bottle of juice. Very, very good. A very, very affordable price. This is really well made. Jac Vapour have brought out several products now and they've all been very, very well put together. This one is no exception. This is a very solid, lightweight, dinky kit. I like it. I think it's solid. I think it's a solid starter vape, or if you're a mouth to lunger or a low wattage vapor, a solid out and about. Obviously the diameter of this hole is only about 15-16 mil, so you can't put in your 22 mil tanks or anything like that in this hole, but you know, maybe they'll do a 22 mil one in the future. We'll see. It's very solid kit, very surprisingly crisp vape, and I think it's well put together. And if you know a smoker, point them in the direction of one of these. I think they won't go far wrong at all, especially with all those coil head options. Very cool, very nice tank, very nice kit. This is not a full review, this is just a quick look. If you are super interested in one of these, maybe wait for a full review. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe if you've not already, and I'll see you again soon. Cheers.